Okay, give us a tour over here, Kath. Look what Kathy did. Wow. Now we have lights. Shower. Pretty cool. What do you think, Kat?
I think it's taken a long time, that's what I think.
Patience, patience, patience. And a beautiful cloudy day. And so ends day 23.
They took this one down. You know what? This might have seemed like a good idea, but where the hell are we going to put the towel rack now?
Minor issue.
I'm serious.
Right below it.
If I had it over here, we had room for a towel rack.
Yeah.
That's kind of low.
That's all right. I think it'll be fine. Don't you?
Oh, you're taping me.
What?
You know. What the hell are we going to do about a towel rack? What are we going to do about a towel rack?
Dilemmas of Restoration, Part 1.
It is a dilemma. It's a big dilemma. Where was it last time?
What will the final decision be? Stay tuned.
That hook's gotta go. For sure. That has to go.
We don't like that hook.
Nope. So that might be where the, maybe we could, I don't know. I don't know.
Here we are at day 24. Progress. Sort of.
Give us the smaller ones.
Get the smaller ones?
Yep. You'll like it later, that's expensive too.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Here, Francis, Joe, thank you. I have to run up to 12 and let somebody in real quick.
Okay.
And let him into the basement. Classic culture room. Okay, I gave you the guy's name, right?
Okay. Here we are. July 31st. Progress. Lots and lots of progress. Put that on today, actually. Still got a ways to go.